Good evening, everyone, and thank you for that introduction. Manya Mantri Mahoday, Dr. Verma, Dr. Nagaraj, all the parents, all the luminaries present here. And when I say luminaries, I mean all these people shining in their yellow gowns, sitting right in the middle. And of course, there are some people in the black gowns who are not so visible, but today is your day. And actually, thank you for making us feel like royalty. I don't know when I wore such a velvet with gold encrusted gown ever, so thank you for that. But jokes aside, इस यहाँ लेबर मिनिस्ट्री में आने से पहले मैं हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री में एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी थी और कोविड का मैनेजमेंट देखती थी. Now you may have any views about COVID management of the country, but I think, and many international bodies think, that India's COVID management was one of the best in the world. Yes, and we should be proud of that. And I must acknowledge that at that time, when I was in health ministry, I found ESIC to be one of the most professional, well-run, caring organizations. So you all deserve a big round of applause. Anybody who works in ESIC. अब मैं लेबर मिनिस्ट्री में आ गई हूँ और डायरेक्टली ESIC का काम देखती हूँ. And I realize that ESIC में एक यूनिकनेस है जो आपको और किसी भी संस्था में नहीं मिलेगी. You look at private sector, you look at government sector, you look at anybody. There is something unique about ESIC. और वो uniqueness क्या है? वो uniqueness ये है कि ये शायद एक अकेली ऐसी संस्था है जिसको गरीब मजदूर अपनी तनख्वाह से चलाता है. They are running this. मुझे बता दो throughout the world ऐसी कोई और संस्था है क्या? Nothing. They are the ones running this medical college. We are their employees. They are funding for your education. अपनी तनख्वाह से पैसा काट के वो ये हमारी सैलरी, हमारे जो भी हमारी सुविधाएं हैं, जो भी हमारे लेटेस्ट इक्विपमेंट, गैजेट्स, our virtual library, everything is funded from the wages of that person. We may give them any name, हम उनको IP बोलें, VIP बोलें, insured person बोलें, कुछ भी बोलें, but वो एक मजदूर है जो कि अपनी तनख्वाह से पैसा काट के हमें दे रहा है. Let us never forget that, ever. They are the ones who have funded you and funded everybody else who is working in ESIC. That is why ESIC is unique. When I say that it is these millions of people who are running this institution, it is not government, it is not a big private hospital chain, no. So that is what is something that should be ingrained in you, the faculty and the students. Please keep that in mind always. That is your strength when you have studied in ESIC, anything run by the ESIC, and when you are teaching the students in an ESIC hospital or a college. कोविड में जब मैं उसका मैनेजमेंट देख रही थी तो एक और चीज़ जो कि ESIC की बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे, एंड दैट इज़ द सीमलेस केयर. क्योंकि नॉर्मली हेल्थ सेक्टर में क्या होता है कि आपको अगर प्राइमरी केयर के लिए जाना है, मैं CGHS भी देखती थी, प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर के लिए जाना है और तो आप कहीं जाओ, उसके बाद फिर सेकेंडरी के लिए जाना है तो कहीं और जाओ, टर्शरी के लिए जाना है तो कहीं और जाओ. लेकिन ESIC is one where right from the entry into the portals of ESIC till the last mile, ESIC is there with the person. This is again a great strength of ESIC. तीसरी चीज़ आई थिंक जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है is the reservation for children of IPs. in the ESIC. और हमारे बीच यदि कोई ऐसे माता पिता हैं जो कि IP रहे हैं या IP हैं, आपको बहुत गर्वित होना चाहिए कि ये आपके ही पैसे से आपके ही बच्चों को इतनी उत्तम शिक्षा दी गई है विद द बेस्ट ऑफ फैसिलिटीज़ दैट कैन बी देयर. इसमें शिक्षा में कोई कमी नहीं थी. इनफैक्ट आपने बताया कि 95.5% पास परसेंटेज है. आई एम वंडरिंग हु इज़ दैट 0.5%. I don't know, but congratulations. So and 10 people have got distinction and all that. So that means the quality of education has been top class. So the parents must feel proud, and I'm sure they are very proud of the achievement of their children and the fact that they studied in a college that is funded by IPs. I don't know आप लोगों ने स्वच्छता अभियान किया था कि नहीं रोहिणी में? किया था. तो उसी तरह से हमने भी अपनी मिनिस्ट्री में स्वच्छता अभियान किया. पुरानी फाइलें निकाली गई. उसमें से एक फाइल निकली 1945 की, और 1945 प्री इंडिपेंडेंस फाइल. एंड यू कैन गेस वो किसके ऊपर थी फाइल? दैट वाज ऑन ESIC. उसमें इनफैक्ट वो मैंने कुछ दिन के लिए अपने रूम में रखी हुई है, ताकि एवरी टाइम जो रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं जस्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट फाइल. उसमें शुरू से लेके और उसमें डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के भी सिग्नेचर्स हैं, उनका नोट भी है उसमें, उनके हाथ का लिखा हुआ. पुरानी इंक वो अभी फेड हो गई है. उसमें ESIC कैसे शुरू हुआ उसके बारे में पूरा है. कैसे उन्होंने प्रोविंसेस बोलते थे उस समय, प्रोविंसेस से कैसे बात करी, वहाँ से क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन आई, कैसे होना चाहिए, वर्कर्स का बेनिफिट कितना, कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना लेना चाहिए, कैसे लेना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, मोडालिटी. एंड दैट इज़ हाउ द स्कीम डेवलप्ड. इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली so fascinating to read that when the constitution was being made, even before that, before the country became independent, ESIC was already taking birth. So that is another great thing that you should know. And today you are graduating. I believe there are 2 batches that are graduating today. So congratulations to all of you. It's a great milestone. And because it is a milestone, जब हम एक मील के पत्थर पे पहुंचते हैं तो क्या करते हैं? हमें पता लग जाता है कि हम यहाँ तक पहुंच गए, इतनी दूरी हमने तय कर ली, इतनी दूरी हमें और तय करनी है. So this is a time for looking back and also looking ahead. We have looked back that from pre-independence, what ESIC is, what it has become. Looking ahead, ESIC is poised for big things. Yes, you can clap for that. ESIC is going to take a big leap. How? Because government has come out with 4 labor codes. और उसमें आप जानते होंगे कि हमारे देश में 10% वर्कर्स ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर में हैं, जिनको आप सेवा देते हैं. 90% लोग अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर में हैं, जो सड़क पे काम कर रहे हैं, जो ठेले वाले हैं. देयर 90% लोग अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर में हैं. ESIC now under the code will take over the healthcare services of the unorganized sector as well, which is a huge mandate. And that will make ESIC probably the largest institution, hospital chain in the world. मैं माननीय मंत्री महोदय का स्वागत करती हूँ. सर पार्लियामेंट में थे और जैसे ही ख़त्म हुआ, अपनी व्यस्तता के बावजूद सर यहाँ पे उपस्थित हुए हैं आप सबका मनोबल बढ़ाने के लिए. तो सर, I was in the middle of my speech. If you permit, I'll continue. So I was saying that ESIC is going to play a greater role in future. That will take ESIC to an even greater height. And we must be prepared for that. We must lay the foundation right now. हमारे जितने भी लोग ESIC में काम करते हैं, फैकल्टी हों या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन साइड में हो, एंड विशेषकर जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, they also need to gear themselves up for that. So this is going to be a very enthralling, very challenging, very promising time ahead. As we reach the milestone of your graduation, ESIC is poised for bigger and bigger thing, and I'm sure you would want to be part of that. Dr. Verma was saying that dentistry is ignored. Let me tell you, as a lay person, के जब सबसे ज़्यादा डर किसके पास जाने से लगता है, वो डेंटिस्ट के पास जाने से लगता है. So definitely, dentistry is not an ignored thing as far as the patients are concerned. It is definitely something extremely important, extremely critical, and now with the emphasis on good health, good and well-being, it has become even more important. So I think I will end here by saying that the degree you have got, do not just think of it as a ticket to a good life. It can be a ticket to good life, and why not? But think of it as a ticket to change lives. Dr. Verma ने ही बताया संवेदना. एक स्टडी हुई थी, हार्वर्ड की स्टडी थी, जिसमें they had a randomized control trial. कुछ लोगों को उन्होंने प्लेसिबो दिया, कुछ लोगों को उन्होंने दवाई दी. They were all suffering from pain. So this is normal करते हैं. लेकिन जिनको प्लेसिबो दिया, they told them that I am giving you a placebo. It's not a medicine. It's just white powder I am giving you. In spite of that, the patients on placebo did not experience pain. You know why? Because of the doctor's touch, because of the doctor's interface. That is the kind of power you have, that just by talking to the patient, you can make the patient forget pain, you can make the patient better. Never forget that. And that is your core strength. No matter how many marks you got, no matter what you did and what you are planning to do. Always remember that. And with those words, I wish you all the very best in your future. May you prosper, may you grow big, and may you keep giving back to the society which has given you so much. Thank you.